In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your email sends in Hubspot, specifically focusing on how to cancel or unsend an email. Whether you're trying to stop a scheduled email from going out or recalling one that has already been sent, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. First, let's begin by logging into your Hubspot account. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top navigation menu and look for the marketing option. Hovering over or clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll want to select email. This section is your control hub for managing all your email campaigns, whether they're still in draft, scheduled, or already sent. Once you've navigated to the email section, your next task is to locate the specific email you wish to update. There's a list of all recent and scheduled emails available, and you can easily filter through them to find what you need. If your email is scheduled for future delivery and you need to stop it, you're in luck, as HubSpot provides a straightforward way to do this. Simply find the email in the list and look for any indication that it's scheduled, such as a date and time under its title. When you've identified it, click on it to access further options. Here you should see a button or link labeled Cancel Send. Clicking this will initiate the process to stop the email from being delivered. If your email has already been sent and you wish to recall it, there's a feature called Unsend that might be available to you, though keep in mind that this is only an option under certain circumstances and within a specified time window. Locate the email you want to recall and see if Unsend is an option. If it is, clicking the Unsend option will begin the recall process, helping you to address any issues or mistakes in the email content. No matter which action you choose, canceling a scheduled email or unsending one that's been delivered, you'll have one final step to ensure everything runs smoothly. HubSpot will typically ask you to confirm your action, providing an extra layer of security and assurance that every change you make is deliberate. Simply follow the prompt to confirm, and your email will either be halted from sending or recalled depending on your initial choice. These options are tremendously helpful for managing your communications more effectively and ensuring that your messaging aligns with your intentions. Make sure to routinely check your emails after scheduling them to catch any potential errors as early as possible. With this knowledge, you're better equipped to handle your email campaigns in HubSpot confidently. Thank you for following along, and best of luck with managing your future email endeavors.